Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. In this video, we will be exploring the source sets of the shared module in the official tutorial. For the native UI version, the shared module is divided into 3 source sets as units. Source sets are a Gradle concept for logically grouping numerous files. The first source set is AndroidMain, the second source set is iosMain, and the last source set is commonMain. Each source set has its own dependencies. The method of specifying dependencies in Gradle is as shown on the screen. In summary, the shared module consists of 3 source sets. If the processing logic diverges between Android and iOS, implement the logic in the androidMain source set and iosMain source set, respectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform.